Hello and welcome to this video guide brought to you by Modern Technologies. In this video, we will be looking at how to view your users and products, invite new users, add and remove products to and from users, and lastly, how to remove users from your team. To keep this video short, it has a fast pace. Pause if you struggle to keep up. First, you will need to log into your Autodesk account at manage.autodesk.com. Make sure to log in with the same email address that was used to subscribe to your product. Once logged in, you will be presented with a home page that gives you an overview of your users and assignments. Go to the User Management tab, and here you will see By User and By Product views. By User will show you the users in your team. By Product shows what products and how many seats of each are available for assignment. Going back to By User view, we will go ahead and add a new user to our team. To start the process, click on Invite Users. Your invitation will be sent via email, so we need to fill in the first and last names and the email address of the user. Next, you will click on Send Invite to email the invitation to the user. When the invitation is sent, you will notice the new user has been added to your user list and that the account status is displayed as invited. Next, we have a quick look at the email the user will receive. They need to click on Create Account. This will take them to a screen where they can verify their first and last names and email. They are also required to create an account password. When the account is created and they are logged in, you will notice that they have no products assigned to them. In the By User list, we can now see the new account has been verified. Next, we need to assign a product to the new user. To do this, click on the arrow to the far right to go to that user. Here, you can see which products are available to assign. Next to the product on the right, you will see the Assign button. Click this to assign it to the user. Going back to By User list, you will now see the user has a product assigned to them. The user will be notified by email that a product has been assigned to them. When looking at the user account, we will now see the new assignment. On the Products and Services tab, we will see a list of software that is available to download and install. In the admin account, if we go to the product view and click on the product, we will now see a list of assigned users. We can also see how many seats there are in total and how many are still available. To remove a product from a user, select the user in the By User view. Here, you will see the products that are assigned, and next to the product will be an Unassign button. Click this to unassign that product. To remove a user in the same view, click on the trash icon next to the name of the user. Click Remove to confirm. In the By User view, the user is no longer listed. When you have a subscription for a certain product, but you do not see it listed in your admin account, it is possible that the subscription is assigned to a different team. To verify this, go to the Billing and Orders tab and then go to Subscriptions and Contracts. If there are multiple contracts, it could be useful to sort them by team. Here you can see all subscriptions listed as well as to which team the subscription is assigned. To move a subscription, go to User Management and click on Team Settings. To the right, click on Actions and select Move Subscriptions to this team. On the new page, select the team that currently owns the subscription. Now select the subscription you want to move to your team and follow the steps below. Please note, only the owner of a subscription can move it to a new team. If you are unable to move the subscription, you will have to ask the owner to move it for you. Thank you for watching this guide, and please take a look at the services offered by Moderna Technologies.